North Carolina still healing, still rebuilding. 1 month after the state was devastated by Hurricane Helene, the catastrophic flooding and destruction from that deadly storm costing North Carolina a whopping $53 billion in damages. Those recovery efforts now getting a big boost from celebrities as top country singers held a concert for Carolina on Saturday, benefiting victims of Hurricane Helene. NewsNation's Keleigh Beeson joining us now. Hi, Keleigh. This is a star-studded event with a good cause. Tell us more about it.
Yeah, help is on the way. Good morning, Hena. Great to see you. As you can imagine, an event of this scale can take a year or more to plan. But in this case, this concert came together in just a matter of weeks. So leading the charge, two North Carolina natives and country music stars now, Luke Combs and Eric Chuch. They grew up in some of the communities most impacted by Hurricane Helene, and they say they felt compelled to help.
What's up, guys? Luke here. I'm standing on the floor at Bank of America Stadium. Tonight is the night that I've been waiting for a long time, concert for Carolina. Going to get to hopefully raise a ton of money for the folks affected by Hurricane Helene.
So Combs taking to Instagram just hours before kicking off this star-studded lineup with fellow musicians including Eric Chuch, James Taylor, Keith Urban, Sheryl Crow, and Scotty McCreery, all in town for this benefit concert to help victims of the hurricane. And our very own Anna Koyman spoke to McCreery. This was ahead of the show.
You know, we do have a platform, and you want to use it for good. And so for me, that's why I'm here tonight, is because, this gig, obviously for us, we're doing this for free. We're giving all this money to the folks in Carolina. So, you just want to use these platforms for good in the world.
So thousands packed the arena at Bank of America Stadium. This was in Charlotte for the sold-out event. More than 80,000 people attended, many with their own personal ties to the area as well. And during the show, this was exciting when Chuch announced this plan to bring 100 homes to the mountains of North Carolina as the state makes a comeback. And a note from Dolly Parton was also shared. In it, she announced $1 million heading to Eric Chuch's foundation. So for those interested, donations are still being accepted for the Concert for Carolina website if you'd like to help. Quite an impressive sum of money was also raised, nearly $25 million, Hena.
Such a great cause, and who doesn't love Dolly Parton, really? Keleigh Beeson, thank you so much, and we will be right back. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.